I have deployed to fly IO. It's not very fancy. I only started playing with this here recently is why.
Justify
Oh,
APR.
yeah. Oh, right there it is, postname. You might recognize one of these, right? It's a Hello World app. But what is cool about this, I tend to do things, I don't know if you guys have talked about continuous integration or anything yet.
No.
Okay, so if I came over here and I go to the app and I just say, hello Flyify, right? Let's change it to that. And then I'm going to add this, change hello world message to system. So when I get and push that, what's going to happen then on my get, I have these actions set up and see how they get little dots going. Continuous integration. This one runs tests. This one deploys to fly.io. So it runs tests in the API, which I only have one very vanilla test, and it runs tests in the front end too. Runs all my tests. Then what this one does actually deploys to that fly.io. So every time tests pass, it deploys to that machine.
That's cool.
Yeah. So the idea is
Look at
like
that.
that's usually the first things I set up in a project is taking care of like deployment and testing and all of the infrastructure and stuff because it's no fun if people can't see shit. And this is what I do on professional projects too. Like usually the first week of a project is just getting up what we call a walking skeleton, which is like either a front end and a back end that can talk to each other. So while that's deploying though, let's go over here and then I have this is my front end right so far. And with the Google auth, click on it. So it's actually got hooked up to Google auth, and that's what I
Nice.
actually worked on last time.